Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoycha Creation Designs. I am coming to you all today with a video to showcase a necklace that I created for my daughter. My daughter is a upcoming performer and she had a show she did on Friday. And this is pretty much what the design that she wanted me to make for her. She wanted a lot of chain, but she wanted some amethyst crystals, okay? These are really large amethyst crystals, and she asked me to make and create this for her, which I did. So I figured that I would just get on here and share this with you all. Uh, I really enjoyed creating this necklace right here. It says a lot, it speaks volumes, and the amethyst, like this is raw amethyst. My daughter really loves this necklace. So I just wanted to come to you all to show y'all what I had created for her because she had an upcoming event that she did last Friday that just passed. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to do a video on this necklace. So I am going to be having some upcoming things that's going to be similar to this. And I will let y'all know that will be for sale. So if you are new to this platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is on the side. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share. And I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.